Most buyers make the massive mistake of trying to negotiate the lowest possible purchase price when they find a home. While a lower price feels good, it often only saves you a few dollars on your monthly mortgage payment. A much more powerful strategy is to keep the price higher and ask the seller for a massive financial credit instead. A $10,000 credit can be used to pay off all your closing costs, leaving that cash in your personal savings account. Even better, you can use that same credit to buy down your interest rate for the entire life of the loan. This move can save you hundreds of dollars every single month, which is far more effective than a small price cut. In a market where houses are sitting longer, sellers are more willing than ever to provide these credits to get a deal done. It is the ultimate win-win that allows the seller to net their price while you get the lowest possible entry cost. Visit the link in the description so we can help you structure your next offer to maximize your seller credits.